Okay, so what I want to talk about right now is the dot replace function in Python. Now this is a pretty cool function if you know how to use it, and um, it's very applicable in a lot of situations. The example that I'm going to show you right now is a censorship function that basically takes foul words, curse words, cuss words, whatever you call them, and replaces those with nice or nicer versions of that word. And I've got these comments here, and this is kind of what will be following kind of an outline to this program. So the first thing we have is we need a list of common curse words. We will call that list curse words. And let's just say, for the sake of friendliness, that that is one. We will say but, and we will say that. That is our list of curse words right there. Now we need a list of nice or nicer words to replace the curse words with. So we'll just call this one nice words. And in here we will replace crap with poo. We will replace butt with buttocks. And we will replace fork with, I don't know, spoon. So we've got our two lists. We've got our list of curse words, and we've got our list of nice words to replace the curse words with. Now we need a sentence to test this out. So we will call this our dirty sentence, right? And this will say, you poo buttocks in spoon. That makes no sense, but it doesn't have to for testing purposes right now. So we've got our curse words, our nice words to replace the curse words with, and we've got a very dirty sentence saying you poo buttocks in a spoon. So now we need a function that goes through the length of the list, the length of the curse words, and replaces those words with the nicer versions of that word. And you don't have to have a function for this, but functions, when you get into more intermediate or advanced programming, functions will come in very, very handy, or even late beginning programming. So we're going to define a function for this. We're going to say, we're going to call our function censor. And our function is going to have 3 arguments, 3 parameters, and that will be our curse words. What happened? Our curse words, our nice words, and it will be our dirty sentence. So inside this function, what do we need to go through? And I had a stupid typo there. To go through the length of the list, of either list, really. We're going to go through the length of nice words in this case. It doesn't matter which one, but what do we need to go through each iteration of that list? We need a for loop. So for I in range length of nice words, sure. What are we going to say? We're going to say dirty sentence equals something else, because what we're going to do is we're going to come down here and we're going to return the dirty sentence, but it's going to be a cleaned up dirty sentence. So here we want to say dirty sentence dot replace, right? And this is that dot replace function that I was talking about. And dot replace takes 2 parameters. The first parameter is going to be what you want to take out. what you want replaced, right? The second parameter is going to be what you're replacing it with. Okay, so we're going to say curse words sub I as our first parameter, because that's what we want to get rid of. That's what we want to replace. And we're going to replace it with nice words sub I return dirty sentence. And that is this comment right here, is we're returning the changed sentence, because dirty sentence now equals this clean one. So now all we have to do is print out, let's see, print out censor with our parameters, and our parameters are curse words, nice words, and dirty sentence. Now when we save this and we go over to our command prompt and we run it, we get you poo buttocks in spoon, which again makes no sense, but we're just testing this. I'm just showing you an example. And actually, it did not do. Wait. Yeah, no, it replaced it. Why did I put here? We wanted you crap. This made no sense. Okay, I'm fixing this. And here we want fork. So if we just print out, let's comment this out for a second. If we just print out dirty sentence, we'll get you crap but fork. But if we print out the dirty sentence and our change sentence, now our change sentence is going to be first, but that's not important here. We will get you poo buttocks in spoon, and then you crap butt and fork. So now we can go back here, erase that. Go back to our command prompt, and now we have the correct result. So this is a pretty cool function. It's built in with Python, and you know, you can change around any word you want for any other word you want in your program. So if you're worried about your users being ugly, saying stuff like crap, butt, and fork, obviously not those words exactly, but you get the meaning. You can replace every single one of those words. So I hope this video was helpful. Leave a like if it was. Thanks.